I also rise to associate myself along with the Leader of the House, Leader of the Opposition, and all the honorable members in expressing our grief and sending our deepest condolences to the family members of our beloved late Dr. Ricky A. Jesenkon, who is still our MP till date. Last night, when I received the news, it was not yet confirmed at the time, of course, but Charles Marangara gave me a call. Then throughout the evening, I was restless. Even though I used to be a very early sleeper, the moment I go to bed, in 5 minutes, I fall asleep.